Well, today, welcome to a new video of Cozmatic Adventures. So, today I'm going to show you how to use the function Meet Cozmo. What is Meet Cozmo? Meet Cozmo is a function you left in the menu that allows Cozmo to recognize your face, but if you don't scan yourself, we'll later see that he won't recognize you. He will just recognize you as human. So, as you can see, sometimes here you can see what he sees in the function Cozmo 3 times. So there you can move Cozmo and make sure that he will be able to see you. Next step, you have to go to Meet Cozmo. Cozmo will get ready. You will hear another music, and well, here will be all the people you have already added. You click in Add New Person. In this case, I will enter Josh. Cozmatic. Oh no, it won't let me. There is a maximum of letters or characters, however you want to call it. You click in Continue. Cozmo stop going forward. He will start recognizing you. You will hear a toot when he is scanning you. Hey, but what happens if, I don't know, after some days he cannot recognize you? Well, you enter again. You enter the little block again, and you click in Scan again. Here, Scan, the name, and again, you click in this real blue button, and he will scan you again. Sometimes, in this case, I have two names. I did this one so that I could do that video, but it cannot be just one slot. It cannot be just one person. You can add more with different names, as you can see here. So, if you want to clear a person, to erase a person, you click here and clear this slot. It will ask you again if you want to delete. You click in delete, and look, it isn't here. So then you click in done, and you will get back to the main menu. So I hope you liked the video. Please give a like, subscribe, and activate the little bell if you want to receive notifications. Bye!